I think the theme this week is really large institutions moving more into the space. And the New York Stock Exchange, the world's largest stock exchange by market capitalization, wants to be the marketplace for NFTs, just like with stocks. The exchange filed an application with the US Patent and Trademark Office to provide an online marketplace for digital goods, including NFTs, cryptocurrencies, digital media, and artwork. If the exchange's plan comes to fruition, it would compete with other popular NFT marketplaces like OpenSea and Rarible. Is this a positive or a negative for NFT marketplaces? Is this a signal of the power of crypto as the old guard dogs are finding footing in the space?
It makes total sense for large institutions to enter the field. No one wants to miss out, obviously. We all have the FOMO. The more transactions are happening in a space, the larger the market grows. OpenSea and Rarible, for example, are also centralized platforms at a certain degree. And I feel that NYSE or other large institutions are stepping into this market can actually drive more people into a Web3 world. It's just our responsibility to educate them about data storage, decentralization, and privacy. But I feel it's a positive movement, and it's great to see that everyone else and like this kind of size of players understand the value of crypto and NFT markets.
On that note, JP Morgan has officially entered the metaverse, opening a lounge in Decentraland, a virtual world based on blockchain technology. The Onyx Lounge was unveiled, outlining limitless opportunities for businesses in the metaverse and why there is explosive interest. JP Morgan is the largest bank in the US and the first to participate in the metaverse. So we see large institutions, again, entering into the metaverse because of economic gain. My question would be, what kind of opportunity do you see for small businesses and individual economic advantage that way?
Yeah, for sure. Metaverse in general helps our businesses to get access to people from all over the world without any necessity to commute. For large players, it's also a great PR opportunity, as now everyone talks about JP Morgan, or for example, McDonald's that also opened up a location in the metaverse. For an average business, it's always depend on the use case. Like, for example, imagine we have our small gallery here in New York City. They only have access to people who are living in New York City. Of course, no one will take an expensive flight to come to the city for a small gallery meetup. It doesn't make that much sense. However, now they can host offline and online events in the metaverse at the same time. And this gives a gallery access to a way larger audience. Another example is real estate. And many people are buying apartments, buildings, land in other countries. In most of the cases, it's an investment opportunity. However, those people have they don't have time to actually fly and check the place they're buying in person. So architects are right now using a lot of 3D modeling of such properties for buyers' convenience. And now they can do it in the metaverse and purchase such property as NFTs. And that's very convenient because the buyer have another opportunity to check out the property and how it looks like. And it also, using NFT technology, it also eliminates a middleman and make transaction way simpler. Another very short example is, and I already mentioned, we are in the world of remote work and decentralized teams. And how much fun is to gather up in the metaverse with your team for some team building compared to a boring Zoom meeting. I would imagine it's way more fun to do it in the metaverse. I can also continue with such examples, but my point was to explain that metaverse allows people to engage in more interactive way on both personal level and professional level, and brings networking to kind of to a next step. So I'm super bullish on the metaverse for small businesses.